Make sure you buy the dip on these Jordan 1s when they release, because this Jordan 1 is going to go up in price. Hit that thumbs up, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram. I'm giving away this pair of Air Jordan 1s. I copped a good amount of pairs, so I'm giving away a pair. All you guys need to do, once again, is hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, give me a follow over on Instagram, DM me proof that you did everything. I'm giving away this pair, brand new. I'll give away a size 9.5 in the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. These are going to do numbers later on. This is a dope, clean Air Jordan 1. Buy this Air Jordan 1 when the dip comes very soon. The Jordan 1 Shadow releases on May 15th. Retail for $170. This sneaker is gorgeous. This is a beautiful Air Jordan 1. Quality is not the best, but the colorway is straight fire. Let me know what you guys think about the Shadows down below in the comments. This is the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. I personally prefer the 1.0. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys like better, the 1.0 or the 2.0. Taking a look at the Shadow Air Jordan 1 2.0, you do have a gray suede, nubuck suede for the gray material. The gray material reminds me a lot of the University Blue Air Jordan 1. That very nice quality nubuck suede. Very nice. The black is leather, and it is, to be honest, stiff. It's not the greatest quality. It's not soft. It's decent leather. It's okay. Nothing too crazy, nothing too soft. I wish they gave us better leather on the black, but the colorway, man, this is a dope Jordan 1, guys. These are going to do great. This is a very wearable Air Jordan 1. Men's, grade school, they're going to do well. They're going to sell out. Like most Jordan 1s, these will be a little tough to grab. They will sell out. The hype will be there, will be through the roof. Everybody and their mother wants this Jordan 1. I really like the shoe. I think it's extremely wearable, and that's why resale is going to do really well later on. After release, I see these being around $250 in most sizes. They will go to $350 in a few months. Hold them. If you could afford to hold them, buy pairs, hold them for 6 to 8 months. You'll see them go up to $300 to $350 per pair in the men's sizes. And grade school will be right around that as well, as usual, per Jordan 1. Guys, this is a clean Jordan 1. Jordan Brand did a great job on this colorway. Some reasons I say that these are going to go up in price: the name, Shadow 1.0, 2.0. The Shadow 1.0s are a classic OG colorway. They did a really good job with the color blocking, Chicago color blocking, just with black in the middle instead of white. This sneaker is going to do very well over time. They're very wearable. Take a look at that black outsole, easy to clean, white midsole, and gray and black upper. There's nothing not to like. They're very easy to rock. Everybody can rock this Jordan 1, and this is more than just a sneakerhead Jordan 1. This is more of an out there Jordan 1 where it can go for everybody to rock. Guys, this is a dope, clean Jordan 1 that will just do numbers over time. Guys, buy the dip when it happens on this Jordan 1. Materials, I guess, are the only complaint people are going to have for the most part when it comes to the sneaker because of the black leather. The nubuck suede is nice. It reminds me, like I said, of the University Blue, so that's cool. The colorway is awesome. The color blocking, awesome. They do come with extra laces. You do have black laces already on the shoe, your black tongue, and of course your beautiful Nike Air branding on the tongue. So these are your typical Jordan 1s, a very dope wearable colorway. Guys, buy these now when they dip. Wait for the dip. Wait to buy them. Wait for the dip. I would say you have to wait probably 3 weeks after release for this one. A lot of stores will have them on Saturday, but of course, like per usual, what's been going on, late shipments. When people do get their late shipments in, prices will come down. When people get their pairs from online, prices will come down. They'll hover around $250, and then we'll see $350 in due time. Take a look at Shadow 1.0s. They're like $500. The Shadow 1.0 is a classic OG model, OG colorway. It's not the same as the 2.0. The 2.0 will be less per usual, but this is going to be an undervalued Air Jordan 1 when they drop and people get pairs in. Guys, hold them. This is a great hold, and make sure you buy the dip when it happens shortly after the release. Hot take, I think these Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s are going to be one of the quickest Jordan 1s to go up in price in 2021. This colorway is just great. It's so wearable, guys. The Hyper Royals, the University Blues are great Jordan 1s, do not get me wrong, but they're not nearly as wearable as this. Point blank period. This is a very wearable Air Jordan 1. You might want to be careful with the nubuck suede, put some type of protector around it, but other than that, you're good to go. This is a very wearable, easy daily wear Air Jordan 1. And when it comes to easy to wear daily Jordan 1s, they just go up so much faster than your typical not so easy to wear Air Jordan 1s, guys. This is a great Jordan 1 that's going to do really well. It's going to go up very, very nicely, and this is a great Jordan 1 investment. I want to tell the Moore family what I'm going to be doing with my Shadow 2.0s. I will be investing in these. This is a great investment, a great Jordan 1. I will probably be putting a pair in my personal collection because they're very wearable, they're fire, they're straight fire. I don't own the 1.0 anymore. My brother does. I'm trying to buy it off of him right now as we speak. I've been trying all day today to get them off of him, but this is a very dope Jordan 1, man, that's gonna do well. So what I personally am gonna do is invest in pairs. I already have some pairs. I'm gonna be buying more pairs after the release date and invest. I'm gonna rock a pair, like I said, and then invest in other pairs, and I'm gonna wait for them to hit about 3 to 325, maybe 350. It depends on how long it takes to go to 350. But after they hit that 300, 325 mark, they're good for me. I'm gonna take my money and move on. This is a dope Jordan 1, and I'm looking to cash out heavily on pairs. I suggest you guys do the same if you have the money to do so as well. If you don't have the money to do so, do not do that. I wanted to make that very clear. If you don't have the money to be investing in these sneakers, do not do that. This is for people that can do so. If you want to hold one or two pairs, that's a good move as well. It's better than keeping money in the bank. I will always tell you that. I'd rather put my money in sneaker investments than keep the money in the bank. So this is a really good Jordan 1, guys. Point blank period. The Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 is going to do good. This is a really good, solid Air Jordan 1. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, follow me on Instagram. I'm giving away a pair of Shadow 2.0s. I'll pick a winner in a few weeks' time, so be sure to continue watching my content, stay updated with the channel, and continue watching my sneaker videos so you guys are updated on sneakers as well as giveaways. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the Shadow 2.0s. I'll drop some more videos on this sneaker. I know you guys want to see them a little bit more. We'll talk more about them. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out. This is a Sole Premise backpack. Sole Premise makes bags for sneakerheads when you travel. So right here is their backpack. This backpack does hold 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers, and as you guys can see, I have my Bread Yeezys as well as my Bread Air Jordan 1s right there in the bag. I have room for my laptop, more space as well. In the front of the bag, I do have some zipper compartments that I could store some toiletries and more goodies as well. And what I also love about Sole Premise, make sure you guys check this out, is Sole Premise bags have a hidden feature. Right here on this backpack, there's a hidden feature right here on the side. I can put more stuff as well. Sole Premise bags are made for sneakerheads when you travel. All you guys need to do is click my link down below in the description. It'll take you to Sole Premise's website, and then be sure to use my discount code Danny Moore for 40% off your entire order from solepremise.com. Be sure to check them out. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video.